Hello everyone, it's Imran Ali from OpickaConsultants, and after a long break, I'm again before you, and today I'm with a very important topic. Today I'm going to talk about a misconception. This misconception is about speaking. तो जनाब आज हम स्पीकिंग के बारे में एक गलत फहमी को एड्रेस करेंगे। ये गलत फहमी दरअसल बहुत सारे सोशल मीडिया पर जो मौजूद हैं ट्रेनर्स उनकी गुफ्तगू को गलत समझने से पैदा हुई है। All trainers say that use idiomatic language. Idiomatic language and use of idioms are not same. They are a bit different. आप idiomatic language और idioms को मिक्स कर देते हैं कि idioms बोलना जरूरी है। I need this agreement in black and white. अब ये जो in black and white है ये idiom है, written form में होना, तहरीरी शक्ल में होना। But idiomatic language is the use of correct collocations, use of phrasal verbs, and use of prepositional phrases correctly. तो idioms और idiomatic language में फर्क ये है कि idioms settled patterns होते हैं जो कि symbolic meanings में बोले और समझे जाते हैं। Idioms are never direct in their meaning. They always show symbolic meanings. They are not in accordance with the words present in that phrase. तो idiomatic language का यूज और idioms का यूज तो मुख्तलिफ चीज है। Now we talk about use of phrasal verbs. I look after all my fellow beings who need my care. अब ये जो look after है ये एक verbal phrase है, verb phrase है. It's idiomatic language. Okay? I need to go to the school adjacent to the market. Adjacent to, it's correct prepositional phrase. So idiomatic language should be there, correctly used, and it would give you good score. And hope this video would clear a lot of misconceptions about your speaking module, and it would be of great usage to you. If you follow my instructions and my suggestions, you will get good score. Thank you. If you want to have further inquiry, you can contact Opicka Consultants, Garden Road branch. Thank you.